Hello student, welcome to my class of computer subject for class 10th. Today we are going to understand student more about instant messaging account. So let's begin with the theoretical part. First, participant messaging to the each and other need to be signed in into same instant messaging software. It means to say student, when participants are using the service for instant messaging, they should be use same instant messaging software. Okay, to use instant messaging software, a user must have valid instant messaging account. Yes student, if you want to use any instant messaging software, we need to have a valid instant messaging account. That means to say student, account should be created on that particular instant messaging software. Instant messaging account differ in format. Some instant messaging software such as Yahoo Messenger, Windows Live Messenger, that use email addresses for managing the account, and software such as Skype and use standard names. So student, instant messaging allow you in different format software. In that you can create and store your information, your email address. Okay, such software like Yahoo Messenger, Windows Live Messenger and Skype. So these are instant messaging software which helps you to log in, I am to say sign in, with the help of your email address. Now we are going to talk about instant messaging services. Under this particular topic, we are going to understand what are the different services available in instant messaging services. So let's begin. So there are student two kind of instant messaging software. That is, first one is application based, second one is web based. So application based are those instant messaging software which install in our computer as a software, and web based instant messaging software are those software, or we can say that those instant messaging which appears in your web browser. So there are some points student. Application based instant messaging software is downloaded and installed on user computer. It means to say, when we are installed in our computer, these type of instant messaging software are definitely occupying your memory space of your computer, and they will require the system requirement also. For example, if you are going to install Windows 7, okay, or you are going to install in Windows 8 or Windows 10, so it's up to software requirement list. It will definitely having the requirement list, as well as it will occupy your computer memory area like other software. Some of the popular instant messaging software are, first one thing, Google Talk, that is most popular among these list. Second one thing, Yahoo Messenger, Skype, Windows Live Messenger, Reddit Bowl, etc. So student, we need to pay the one important attention here student. If I am going to use Google Talk, so definitely I have to use in this Google Talk my Gmail account. If I am using Yahoo Messenger, I will use Yahoo email address. Skype doesn't matter whether you are going to use Google, Yahoo, MSN or any of the account, but domain will be of the Skype only. Next one thing, Window Live Messenger. In this you have to create your account in Microsoft Window email address. And now Rediff, it is another one email domain system also. So in this you have to also provide here rediffmail.com. Okay. Now next point, web-based instant messaging software is accepting user browsers, okay, such as Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, etc. So student, web-based instant messaging software actually definitely runs with the help of your browser, and they also require the updated version of your browser. If you are using Internet Explorer older version, it will not work with your browser well, because it have definitely new tools and advanced technology or facility which provided by the software. So it should be important, whenever you are using web-based instant messaging software, your browser should be up to date, and requirement like Flash, FXVLAIR, okay. So these are the component we have to install on the computer, okay. So these particular browser can be Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, etc. Some of the popular web-based instant messaging software are as following, student. Here is Mebo, Yahoo Messenger for the web, MSN Messenger, or Emo. So these are also having the requirement to accept their own domain email only, okay. So if you are using another one email ID, so they will definitely trouble you. So like Emo or Mebo, these are not having their own email domain or email services. So these particular services, I mean to say web-based instant messaging software, do not have such type of restrictions. So student, today we have understand what is instant messaging software, I mean to say account, what are the requirement of that, and what are the different services of instant messaging services, okay, and their type, that is application based and web based. I think you have learned it better and understand it well. Till then student, thank you and have a nice day.